Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just a quick one today on our free side. Amazon. This is a stock I haven't traded in a while, quite a while, not because I don't like it. Hell, I look at my front porch every day and find all kinds of stuff from them. But it's just because other stuff seems to have caught my eye. But this one does now. And part of the reason is because they report earnings next week on the 2nd, which is on Thursday after the close. So this has 4 trading days to go. And so what I'm talking about here is a short-term trade here, not a long-term, not an earnings trade, but I see this stock here, and I'd previously looked at this level here as a good resistance level. Well, it's really been 100. So this would be my suggestion to you. If the stock, as long as the stock's above $100, I think you're good to go. I would look at this, look to buy the stock on Monday. Like, how simple is this? Look to buy the stock on Monday and keep a stop just a little bit below $100. I'd want to keep it that tight, and this is why for this trade. If I'm committed to selling the stock by the end of the day on Thursday, in other words, 4 trading days, then I don't want to tolerate much of a pullback because that takes time. The pullback takes time, and then the retracement, if it happens, takes time. So it's kind of one of those things where, okay, if the stock goes against me, how long is it going to take for me just to get my money back, let alone actually make a profit on the trade? And that's why I'm saying make this a time, give this a time stop as well as a price stop. So you're in this trade for a maximum of 4 days. And if the stock gets up to 110, and if the market really continues to work, I think, look, we're not really talking about that. I'm not going out on a limb here too much, but I am saying, I would look for 110 on the upside and just don't let it go below, we'll say 99.50. Yeah, give it a little more room. Give it 99. Don't let it go below $99, and you got a really, really tight trade. Okay, so that's it. Members, our active trade list is doing really well. Particularly ARC and Shopify. The homies are working. Everything's profitable. And so go check that out. And then I've got a few other names for you too, as well as a trading lesson that you would be well advised to learn now. And you can learn it as opposed to experiencing it. Okay? So you got to go listen to the video, watch the video to find out what that is. I'll see you Monday.